Here I have Honor 70 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by tap on it once, you can just switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change device name, you can change its password, you can see connected devices, you can also add them to block list. You can select security protocol. In more, you can also change AP band and set up mobile hotspot turn off timer. And you can also use it as Bluetooth tethering hotspot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.